नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 9वी गणित भाग 1 चा हा व्हिडिओ सेमी इंग्रजी व मराठी माध्यमाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना उपयुक्त आहे. Standard 9 Maths 1 Chapter 1 Sets. Let us learn the properties of intersection of sets and the properties of union of sets. To verify these properties, we will consider one example. U is the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 2, 4 and set B is equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 4, 6. Here we will learn first property. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So take the intersection of A and B. Intersection means only common elements we are taking in that set. So 2, 4 are the common elements in A and B sets. So A intersection B is equal to 2, 4. Also consider B intersection A. Again the common elements are 2 and 4 only. So B intersection A is also 2, 4. So first property we have proved here. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Now consider second. If A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. Here A is 2, 4 and B is 1, 2, 4, 6 and all the elements of A are also the elements of set B. So A is a subset of B. Then A intersection B means we have to take the common elements between these A and B sets. So the common elements are 2 and 4. So A intersection B is equal to 2, 4 and 2, 4 is nothing but the set A itself. So A intersection B is equal to set A. So second property we have verified here. Now third property. A intersection B is a subset of A and A intersection B is also subset of B. We can easily understand this property. A intersection B is equal to 2, 4. Just we wrote this set. A intersection B is equal to 2, 4. So A intersection B is equal to 2, 4 and A is 2, 4 and B is 1, 2, 4, 6. These A and B sets are given in the example. So we can easily understand this property. A intersection B is a subset of A because all the elements of A intersection B are also the elements of A set, and same all the elements of A intersection B are also the elements of set B. So this property we have verified here. Now fourth property. A intersection A dash is equal to phi. A dash means the complement of set A. So A is 2, 4, U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from A and U we can write the set A dash, means complement of set A. So what are the elements in complement of A? The elements which are in set U but not in A. So these elements we have to take in this set. So 1, 3, 5, 6 are the elements of A dash. So here if we take the intersection of these two A and A dash, so we have to take the intersection of these two sets, means we have to write the only common elements. But if we observe carefully, there is no common element between A and A dash, so their intersection will be the empty set. So A intersection A dash is equal to phi. Last property, second last property, A intersection A is equal to A. The intersection of the set itself is a set. So A is equal to 2, 4. So A intersection A means we have to take the common elements of A and A. So common elements are 2 and 4 itself. So A intersection A is equal to A here. And the last property, A intersection phi is equal to phi. So A is 2, 4 and phi means empty set. So intersection of these two sets means we have to write the common elements, but there is no common element between these two sets. So A intersection phi is equal to empty set. So A intersection phi is equal to phi. So in this way we learn all these properties. Now let us verify the properties of union of sets. Consider the same sets U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A is equal to 2, 4, and B is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6. So let us learn first property. A union B is equal to B union A. So take the union of these two sets. The union of two sets means we have to write all the elements of both the sets in this union. So take all the elements of A, 2, 4 here, and then we will take all the elements of B also, 1, 2, 4, 6, but 2 and 4 are already taken here, so we have to take only 1 and 6. So A union B is equal to 2, 4, 1, 6. Similarly, we can take the union of B union A. So same sets are there, so their union will be same. So first property we have learned here, A union B is equal to B union A. So this is the first property we have verified here. Now second property, if A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. Here A is 2, 4 and B is 1, 2, 4, 6. Here all the elements of A are also the elements of B. So A is a subset of B in this example. Then their union will be, the union of A and B is 1, 2, 4, 6, and 1, 2, 4, 6 is nothing but the set B. So A union B is equal to B. Second property is we have verified here. Now third property, A subset of A union B and B subset of A union B. So A is 2, 4 and B is 1, 2, 4, 6. So their union will be 1, 2, 4, 6, and we get that A is a subset of A union B. If we observe these two sets, every element of A is also the element of A union B. So A is a subset of A union B. And similarly, we can observe these two sets B and A union B. We get that B is also a subset of A union B. Now fourth property, A union A dash is equal to U. A dash means a complement of set A. So A is 2, 4, U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from A and U we can write A dash means complement of set A. Complement of set A is the elements in U but not in A. So 1, 3, 5, 6 are the elements which are in U but not in A. So if we take the union of these two sets A and A dash, we will get 2, 4. First write all the elements of A, then I will write all the elements of A dash here, 1, 3, 5, 6. So their union will be 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 6. And if we observe that these are the elements of U itself, so the A union A dash is equal to the universal set. Next property, A union A is equal to A. So union of the set itself is the given set itself. So A is equal to 2, 4, and therefore A union A, the union of A itself is the set itself. So A union A is equal to 2, 4 is equal to A. We can easily understand this property. And the last property, A union phi is equal to A. To verify this property, consider A is equal to 2, 4 and phi means this is empty set, and take the union of these two sets. Union means we have to write all the elements of both the sets in the union. So take the elements of A first, 2, 4, and here is not a single element is there. This is empty set, so no element is there. So their union will be 2, 4 itself, and 2, 4 is nothing but the set A. So A union phi is equal to A. So with the help of this example, we have learned all these properties of intersection of sets and the union of sets. Now let us learn the number of elements in a set, and with the help of this topic we will learn one formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. If P and Q are the two sets, similarly we can write the formula N of P union Q is equal to N of P plus N of Q minus N of P intersection Q. To verify this formula, let us consider one example. Here in this Venn diagram, set A is represented by this violet circle and set B is represented by this red circle. So what are the elements of set A? 3, 9, 15, 6, 12. So these are the elements we wrote here in this set. So N of A means the number of elements in set A are 5. So red circle represents the set B. So the elements of set B are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. So we wrote here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So these are the elements of set B. So there are 6 elements in the set B. So n of B is equal to 6. Now, if we observe the Venn diagram very carefully, we get A intersection B is equal to 6, 12. So intersection means there are common elements between the two sets. So there are only 2 elements common in set A and B. So 6, 12 is the intersection of A and B. So n of A intersection B is equal to 2. Similarly, we can write the A union B. A union B means we have to write all the elements of A and all the elements of B and common elements at once only. So 3, 9, 15, 6, 12. So take all the elements of set A first and then write all the elements of B, but common elements we have to write at once only. So 6, 12 is already taken. So 18, 24, 30, 36, these are the remaining elements. So this is the union of set A and A union B. So n of A union B means number of elements in this set are 9. So now to verify this formula, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Consider the left hand side. So left hand side is n of A union B, and we just know that the number of elements in union are 9. So n of A union B is equal to 9. Call this is 1. Now consider the right hand side of this formula. So n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So put the values just we got here. N of A is 5, n of B is 6 and n of A intersection B is 2. So put the values here. N of A is 5, n of B is 6 and n of A intersection B is 2. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Call this is 2. So right hand side is 9 and left hand side is also 9. So we have verified that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this formula we have verified here. So n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B.